Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This is Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Madhavatiti Bhakati Janani Yatane Palana Kori Krishna Vasati Vasati Voli Parama Adare Bori. He's telling that holy days like Ekadashi days are very special. They're called as Madhavatiti, and they can increase our bhakti to a great proportion, provided we utilize those days in a very spiritual manner, a fruitful manner. So, today is Ekadashi day, very special day. So, two things we should do and one thing we should avoid. Srila Prabhupada wrote 2 letters on the same day. One letter in the morning, one letter in the evening. In the morning letter, Prabhupada said, the GBC should go around all the temples and see that the morning programs are conducted well. Devotees are coming together for Japa. They are coming together to hear Srimad Bhagavatam. They are attending all the aratis. Whether these things are happening properly, one should check. Like that Prabhupada wrote. In the evening he wrote another letter, same day. All the devotees should be observed whether they are going out on book distribution and distributing the books, distributing the holy name. And they should be fully focused on this. So one may wonder, morning is talking about taking in, evening is talking about going out. Because both these things are simultaneously important. That's why it is said, Janma Sardaka Kori Kara Para Upakar. So morning Prabhupada spoke about Janma Sarthaka Kori. Evening he spoke about Para Upakar. Because if one is sitting and doing Nirjan Bhajan, that is condemned by our Acharyas, especially Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada says that we are not Haridas Thakur, we are not Goswamis that we can sit in a cottage and chant 64 rounds every day. Therefore, minimum 16 rounds is kept. But after chanting minimum 16 rounds, what should one do? Kara para upakar. We should do para upakar by going out and distributing books. So, we have imported 2 great souls from America just to inspire the Pune community devotees. You see, one is His Holiness Guru Prasad Maharaj, who has come from America all the way to inspire us tomorrow with the Sankirtan book distribution. And His Holiness Gopalakrishna Maharaj has chosen His Holiness Guru Prasad Maharaj to represent him in his absence. And His Holiness Guru Prasad Maharaj also is the executive chairman of the GBC Executive Committee. And is super busy. He has hundreds of places to go. Daily he has practically 2 dozen meetings on Zoom. And practically me and Sarvakshan Prabhu, several calls, several messages we sent him. At last he agreed to come for this. Because we told him that, Maharaj, your one visit to Pune is going to motivate 6,000 devotees. Then Maharaj was really considering it. He thought, oh really? If it is going to inspire devotees to distribute Prabhupada's books, I will put aside my other engagements and I will come to Pune. So he is coming. He has come here already. So today is going to BCC, tomorrow is going to give here. So I request everybody should be here. I told Maharaj, when His Holiness Gopalakrishna Maharaj would come for this launch program, there will be 5,000 devotees in the Bhaktivedanta Community Hall. It will be so jam-packed, there will be no place to put a mustard seed. So His Holiness Guru Prasad Maharaj became very inspired hearing that. Tomorrow, if it is scantily populated, you will ask me, where is the crowd you are talking about? So, especially we are going to take attendance through the counselors. How many counselees attended tomorrow's Maharaja's program? I have told you in advance. So, we will be sending out a circular to the counselors, whether they attended and whether their counselees attended, because His Holiness Guru Prasad Maharaj is GBC of Pune. So, when GBC is coming, everybody should be here. It's like Brahma coming, representing the Supreme Lord. It's very rare to get. Similarly, today morning, His Grace Naveen Nirada Prabhu has come. He's one of the top-notch, internationally acclaimed book distributors. In 1 minute, he can distribute a dozen Bhagavad Gitas. If you have seen his videos in YouTube, you will see he's so intelligent. He knows how to speak to people, different types of people. And it's very rare to even see him here in a place like this during this marathon. But he heard that Pune has been doing well. So he has come. He's written a book also. He's brought a book which he'll be showing at the end of this class. And he has a flight he was having a flight at 9 o'clock. We told him that we cannot prepone the Bhagavatam class. So he cancelled the flight. And then he is staying back for giving the class, and then he has postponed the flight to something like 11 o'clock or something. He's only till 9:30 here. 9:30 he has to leave for the flight, correct? He's going to Mumbai to catch another flight instead of going from here. So he has taken the trouble to come. So he is, if you have read about him in the NOBD, which is a Nectar of Book Distribution book, several pastimes you will hear about Naveen Nirada Prabhu. Sankirtana Amrita, that book he has written also now. So he's a singer, he's a speaker, and he's a personal book distributor. So he has been actually doing since a very young age. And even now he's doing, he's close to 60 now. Still he's doing book distribution. Daily he goes out, for several hours he goes in America. He and Vijay Prabhu, they go together in ISV and San Diego. I have also been with them. So he is here also today. So, and today is Ekadashi day also. It's very auspicious to take association of such great souls. And both of them have come from America, here to Pune all the way. Although many other temples are calling them, they have taken our invitation seriously. We request everybody, you can put this small clip to everybody, make sure that all the councillors get it. And the councillors, councillees, everybody should be here today and tomorrow. These 2 mornings are very important. Today is 8:10 to 9:50, 9:30, I think. And tomorrow? Tomorrow 9 o'clock, 9 to 11. Tomorrow is 9 to 11. Today is 8:10 to 9:30. Please make sure we take advantage. And this is going to give all of us a spiritual boost so that in the coming 1 month we will be able to have sufficient energy to go out and distribute Prabhupada books and bring a very good score for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada. And during the day, you have time, you can chant more rounds. Ekadashi day is a wonderful day. And everybody should make an effort to chant more than normal any other average day. So we are not only eager to send devotees out for book distribution, we also want to see that we purify our heart, by chanting the holy name, by hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam. So these are 2 things Prabhupada emphasized on the same day, morning and evening. And the third thing that one should not do is sense gratification, which is the most famous one in this world. Lethargy, laziness, inconsistency, unrestrained action, atyahara, prayasa, prajalpa, niyamagraha, janasanga, laulyam, or vachavegam, manasavegam, krodhavegam, jihvavegam, udaravegam, upasthavegam. These dozen items are taboo, are prohibited for a devotee. One should throw them away because these are the time wasters, these are the time killers, these are the agents which will take us in a downward spiral to hell. So one should, these are bhaktir vinashyati, it is said. So one should give up this. Because if we don't do janma sarthaka kori and kara para upakar, the result is we will get into this downward spiral. It's guaranteed by Maya. Prabhupada says Maya is right next to you, waiting to engage you. The moment you don't engage in Krishna service, Maya says, "Sir, I am here." Immediately she will engage you. So therefore, these great souls are coming to Pune to inspire us to give up sense gratification and get motivated by Janma Sarthaka Kori and Kara Para Upakar. So let us chant the holy name now and chant more rounds during the day. And today morning and tomorrow morning, take advantage of the wonderful association of these 2 great souls, His Holiness Guru Prasad Maharaj and His Grace Naveen Nirada Prabhu. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like the Satyris, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrinda ki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki